Blessed Fridays, my beautiful friends. If you are seeing this any other day of the week, just know that this message is timeless and it is relevant to whatever phase of life that you're in, as well as whatever the current day is. But the next 7 days are really pivotal for you. I feel like you're in this liminal phase where there's the old you and there's the new you. And this week's energy is just very much stillness. That's what comes to mind, is that this is like the calm before the storm. And I don't want you to worry about the storm that's about to come, because it's actually a good one. It's going to bring a lot of growth and it's going to be very exhilarating and refreshing. But this is a time where you should just rest and enjoy the final days of summer and how these days are long and just so slow, and let that just be where you're at right now and to enjoy it for what it is, because you are exactly where you are meant to be at this time and where you need to be. And so the chapter ahead is going to take a lot of energy. It's going to ask a lot of you. You are being bestowed enormous responsibility to embrace in this next phase of life. But in the meantime, it's important to rest, because it leads you into that next chapter and gives you the very much needed energy to handle what's about to come. So prepare yourself in that way. Just let this next 7 days just take you in gently into the next chapter. Don't worry about forcing things or doing more than you need to do right now, or hustling or working harder than you have to. Whatever can be put off, just schedule it accordingly and just do what you need to focus on right now and take care of yourself, because what's to come is going to be amazing, my friend, but it is massive. So if this resonated, if this was helpful for you, let me know in the comments. I love to hear your testimonies. They mean so much to me and they inspire others, and it helps spread the good word. So I appreciate any and all support, including the options that are linked in the description as well as the pinned comment. Otherwise, I love you so much. But remember, God loves you more, and I'll see you in the next video.